part 2 of making the raised boombot keycap. So now's where we get to start painting, and this is where everything starts to come together and starts looking the way it's supposed to. I was really excited to use this new micro paintbrush I bought for the small detailing on the boombot, and it served me well for the first half, but then it started to get a little bit less precise as I went on, so I probably do need to look into how to take better care of them. In general though, these details were so fun to paint and I'm really happy with how they turned out. For most of the details, I started out with white as a base so the colors would show up more vibrantly despite being painted against dark backgrounds. This name tag in particular is something I'm so proud of, and maybe in the future I'll find a way to make the whole Roomba so I can do all of the details. I never realized how detailed this little bot was until I was staring at reference images for hours on end. These outlines were also really fun to draw, as well as all of the little explosions, and all of it gave it a lot of character. I was worried about drawing in these little paint scratches or chips in the middle, but I think it turned out okay. But yeah, here I'm just glazing it, and yeah, I think it turned out really good. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, here's it on a keyboard. Enjoy!